Hi, my name's Nick and I'm the owner of Blue Jacket Shipcrafters. Today, as you just saw, we're going to talk about the contents of our Cape Cod Catboat kit. The Catboat is an 1850s to 1900 working vessel, mainly fishing and lobstering. It's characterized by having a large cockpit, small cabin, and a mast placed well forward in the vessel with a single large sail. Our kit includes, of course, a full set of plans and a second sheet for some of the more construction details. We have, of course, our instruction manual, which includes pictures to aid in assembly, some diagrams as well, all the way to the rigging, everything you need to build the kit. We also include general planking instructions and, of course, our guarantee. The kit includes a more than adequate supply of strip wood for planking, dowels for masting, some nice mahogany trim. There is sail material. There is 3 kinds of rigging thread and wire. And there is a fittings package that includes blocks, cleats, anchor, propeller. You have anchor chain, you have eye bolts, and an extensive package of laser cut fittings. We can go through these. There's some of your construction pieces. Here's a couple pieces of mahogany. That's a display cradle. These are some of the pieces. Here's your deck. There's your tiller. These are bulkheads and a keel and your cabin piece. Another cabin piece and keel, and another sheet of laser. And that's our Catboat. I thank you for watching this, and please like it and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you.